The filter function constructs an iterator from elements of the iterable for which the function returns true. It returns an iterator containing those elements that satisfy the condition specified in the function. Let's see an example. Let's say we have a list of ages and we have to select only the ages less than 40. Let's first implement this using a loop. Alright. We got the ages less than 40. Now let's implement the same using the filter function. Here we are using a lambda function as the first parameter to the filter function and passing the list as the second parameter. The filter function will pass every age to the lambda function and will construct an iterable by adding the ages which are satisfying the condition. Alright. We got the result as expected. We have reduced the lines of code using the filter function and our code looks elegant and efficient. If you are not familiar to lambda function, you can define a regular function which does the same task and pass it to the filter function. Let me show you.